Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to reduce margin of a section in Elementor. As you can see right now I am editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and I have created two sections, right? The first section is this one and the second section is this one, right? Now what I want is I want to reduce this particular margin. So to reduce this margin we need to reduce the margin of the section, right? So how we can do that? So for reducing the margin of a section, you just need to move your cursor over the section and you will see a 6 dot button that is of edit container, right? You need to click on that, and then in the left side toolbar you will find three kinds of settings: layout setting, style setting, and advanced setting. You need to move to the advanced setting, and here in the advanced settings you will find layout option, and in layout you will find margin, right? So margin settings are there. You need to first unlink the values, else top, right, bottom, left, all values will increase or decrease together. So I have simply clicked on this particular link button and made it the delink, right? So now we need to decrease the top margin, right? And as you can see we are reducing the margin and it has been successfully reduced, right? So this is how you can simply reduce the margin of a section in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog, read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.